Today I'm going to show you how to make this spectacular snowflake wreath. I made this all from supplies from your local dollar store. I'm starting with your basic wood frame, and it needs to be painted white. It's a very important aspect you cannot skip. It has to be white. So I'm going to start with a base of silver snowflakes. So I'm just lining them up, and you can see here I'm kind of alternating between sparkly and shiny. So the silver snowflakes, I'm kind of pushing towards the outer edge. I want most of it hanging on the outside of the rim. Just look for your point of contact and just apply the glue there. So I have two types of silver snowflakes, shiny and sparkly, so I'm just going to alternate them and glue them down. Appreciate your support. Please like and subscribe. And next I'm using a wire wreath form from Dollar Tree, and I painted it white. Next, I wrapped my lights around it. I want it to be very glowy, my snowflake. So it's a wire type of light, so it just very easily wraps around the wreath form. Now you can notice I am using a wire wreath form specifically for the top layer. And next I'm going to just glue down a very clear translucent snowflake on top of the wire wreath form. I just laid them all out first and then hot glued them down, and I am using Gorilla Glue just for extra hold. Just gluing on the two highest wires. I'm not gluing all of them. And then a little glue on the snowflake beside just to connect everything. And next I'm adding a translucent, kind of a more three-dimensional snowflake for the top layer. And you can see on this top layer, I'm kind of pushing them more into the center. This just makes it a wider wreath, so I'm just pushing this layer more towards the center. So I'm laying them out just to make sure I have enough to go all around first of all. See, the outer edge of the wire frame is showing. So I have some medium-sized rhinestone. I'm going to just put some hot glue on there and then attach strips of the rhinestones just to cover up the wire. And it just adds a little extra bling too. And so just add a little extra sparkle. That's so pretty. And I'm just going to add rhinestones to the center of the snowflakes on the top layer, just to add a little extra something. So I have one very special snowflake I'm going to add to the center of my wreath. And I just turned it upside down. I'm going to add a zip tie to act as the hanger. And then I zip tie the battery pack to the back as well. It was actually a super easy project, and I love the result. I hope you do too.